Hello cousins, it's Kemi. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are not at home, we are on holiday. Right now we are in Dubai. Right now I'm actually getting ready to go to the beach, and I thought, why not record it? Why not show you guys some makeup looks that I do whilst I am on holiday? My eyebrows are looking a little bit tight because I forgot some products that I normally use, but it's fine. For today, I'm actually going to do a no foundation makeup look, just because I'm going to the beach and I don't want, foundation on. And because I'm going to wear foundation on later on today, there's no point of me wearing foundation now, okay? To be honest, the weather outside, you can wear foundation because it's not really hot. It's like 24 degrees, so it's okay. Anyways, the standard primer, we're going to be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This always goes on holiday with me. It's just so good at just gripping out the makeup. Massage that onto the face. I have like an Instagram as well, cousins, so stay tuned for that. I really like this primer on holiday because it literally just keeps the makeup onto your face. Even though I'm not planning to wear foundation today, I do want to take cute pictures. Next, we're going to go in with the Milani Make It Last Natural Finishing Setting Spray. Cousins, do you guys like wearing makeup on holidays? I'm like in between, because I find that whenever I'm on holiday, I hardly actually wear makeup. I just put on brows, lashes, and a lip gloss, and I'm like literally good to go. Unless like I want to take pictures, that'll be me for the whole trip. I'm going in now with my Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer. This is in the shade 17.5 Deep. I'm just going to use this to cover up my dark circles. Now this is a really good concealer. And the match on this for my skin is top tier. And I actually forgot my beauty blender at home. So we're going to be using brush to blend out our entire makeup for this trip. I just like the finish of a beauty blender. It just looks so more like seamless, where like the brush gives you coverage, but I don't feel like it gives you that seamless look, But for this trip, we're gonna have to make it do. We're actually gonna go straight into bronzer. I'm gonna use my NARS Laguna bronzer in the shade 05. Then I'm gonna deepen up with my Be Perfect bronzer in the shade Fig. Going in with the NARS one first. I'm starting to really enjoy this bronzer now. I used to talk so much smack about it, obviously if I end up being deep enough, but I'm really starting to get my money's worth off this bronzer. It by itself, it's alright, but it paired up with like a deeper bronzer, stunning. I'm gonna bronze up my nose. Now going to Be Perfect. I'm just going to deepen that up. The weather in Dubai has been really good. It's just like the perfect weather. Like it gets a little bit cold in the evening, but it's not like cold like UK cold. We're planning to come during January and February. Therefore bring like a little hoodie or like a cardigan. But everybody's body is different, so you might not get cold, but it's definitely a little chappy, and a lot of people have been wearing like light cardigans, light jackets. Actually, jacket is a stretch to be honest, but light cardigan, light jumpers, good. I'm also going to use the same concealer to carve out my bronzer. Just going to use that little amount and just blend it with a foundation brush. This hobby, cousins, you're going to be getting all Dubai content. I've got the vlog coming out, inshallah. I'm also going to do a night makeup routine. I'm also going to do a skincare routine as well. I feel like not a lot of people talk about like holiday skincare routine. Like I don't feel like it's necessary to carry like 20 plus products just on skincare, especially if you're like me that likes to shop wherever I go. So I want to always bring something back for like my family, my friends, so I need space in my luggage. So I'm not gonna like waste it with like skincare, like with heavy skincare products. So I always bring like the necessity products that I actually need. For blush, we're gonna use Huda Beauty liquid blush in the shade Watermelon Pop. It smells so good, like so good. For concealer, we're gonna do the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser. This is in the shade 145. For some reason, my throat has been hurting. I think it's because of the AC. That's on full on blast right now. I'm using this because it has good coverage and I need the coverage. Going back in with my concealer brush and slightly blend it out. It's such a shame that I left my sponge at home. I'm gonna get back in with a foundation brush and just blend all over. Gonna go back in with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. Now I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Powder in the shade 3 Tan to lightly set my highlighted areas. I really enjoy this powder. By the way, the reason why I'm looking this way is because the mirror is like right in front of me and you guys are like set up in an angle. And then going in with Laura Mercier Translucent Honey Setting Powder with my Chigwell Cosmetics Powder Puff. Am I just here thinking about moving to Dubai? Am I the only one that like goes on holiday and then start to like plan a whole life in the country? Every time I come out here, I'm just like, you know what? I can do with living in Dubai, you know? Then reality kicks in and you're like, girl, it must be like a thing, cause what? I get it everywhere I go. Like when I went to New York, I was like, you know what? I can actually live in New York, you know? I feel like a New Yorker. Whenever I go to Nigeria, I'm like, you know what? Living in Nigeria is actually not bad. I'm just like, everywhere I go, I'm always like trying to convince myself that I can live in the country. Like, what is wrong with me? Someone please let me know. I'm gonna set my entire face using the Revolution Pro CC Perfecting Press Powder now to give it some color because I'm looking crazy. So we need to add some color back to this face. By the way, this powder comes with me everywhere. Like, no matter what country I'm going to, I'm having this powder with me because she is me to the T. This powder or the Morphe Filter Effect powder. I feel like they've discontinued that, so going back to this. If you guys have any like good face powders, please let me know down below because I'm just like scared that Revolution might, you know, decide to get rid of this and I need a backup. Like, I need a backup. So powder bars, we're using the MAC Sunstruck Radiant Bronzer with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. This is in the shade 4 and this is in the shade Richer Rosy. These two combination, elite. This gives me the warmth that I need and this gives me the depth that I need. Going in first with MAC, which is a deeper shade. Look at her. We do not apply the darker shade on the nose because we don't want our nose to look, you know, muddy. We do it everywhere else but the nose. Now we use our lighter shade to blend and merge everything together so there is no harsh lines. Sometimes I do it the other way around. It really doesn't matter, to be honest. For our eyes, we're going to keep it simple. We're going to go in with our bronzer and apply this all over the lid. Then we're just going to deepen up the outer corners a little bit. We're going to go in with my Too Faced Better Than Chocolate eyeshadow palette. This is one of the palettes that I was bringing on holiday with me. It just has pretty much everything that I need. We're going to grab the shade, the Brownie Points. I'm just going to like put down the outer corners. And we are pretty much done with the eyes. I'm gonna go back in and now just dust off the excess powder off my face. More like blend in the excess powder on my face. Lip liner, we're going in with the Juvia's Place Luxe Liner in the shade Cocoa Latte. Looks a little crazy at first, but don't worry. Now a little bit of Colour Pop Lippy Pencil. And whilst I dry it down, we're going to go with the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara to prep our lashes for our falsies. Blush, I'm using this Romantic Flower blush trio. I'm gonna use this shade right here. I'm a lash babe. I am honestly a lash babe. Like, the lashes just does something to my makeup every single time. Oh, I don't think I should have added the mascara, but it's too late now, so I'm just gonna have to add it to both eyes. Finally, for lips, we're gonna do gloss, of course. We're gonna do Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Gloss in the shade Soulmate. And then we're gonna go on top of that with this lip oil gloss that I got from Temu. I really like that one because it's not like a dry oil, it's actually like a lip gloss. Oh, I forgot to bring a brush. Oh, I forgot to bring a lip brush. Just gonna have to put this on top. And this is us done, our no foundation holiday makeup glam. Heading over to Ula Beach now, and yeah, we're gonna have a great time. Don't worry, I'm gonna be vlogging, so you're not gonna miss much. But this is all for today's video, cousins. Let me know your thoughts down below. I know the eyes are a little bit much for the beach, but we're here now, so we can't do nothing about it. Let me know what you think about this look down below. Like always, I love you guys so much, and inshallah I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, cousins.